Name. Wyze Cam OG 1080p HD Wi-Fi security camera indoor-outdoor, color night vision, spotlight, two-way audio, cloud and local storage ideal for home security, baby, pet monitoring Alexa Google Assistant. Recommended uses for product baby monitoring, pet monitoring. Brand Wyze. Model name Wyze Cam OG. Connectivity technology wireless. Special feature local recording, two-way audio, HD resolution, night vision, sound-triggered recording, built-in light. About this item. Livestream with color night vision. Monitor your home day or night with 1080p HD video and color night vision. Power adapter input. Input 110-240V, AC/DC, output 5V/1A. Indoor-outdoor Wyze Cam OG is a wired security camera with an IP65 rating, so you can confidently install it outside in the rain or inside in the kids' room. Wyze Outdoor Power Adapter, sold separately, required for outdoor use. Deter Intruders, a 40 lumens built-in spotlight and mini-siren ward off would-be package thieves. Weather resistance, indoor and outdoor, IP65. Motion/sound notifications. Wyze Cam OG alerts you instantly when motion or sound is detected. Motion detection zones and custom settings allow you to adjust the sensitivity of detection or turn it off completely. 2 ways to record videos. Get secure cloud recording as well as person, package, pet, and vehicle detection with Cam Plus, subscription required, or insert a microSD card, sold separately, to record videos locally. Two-way audio. See, hear, and speak to guests or pets with improved two-way audio. Stand and wall mount included. Wyze Cam OG includes a non-slip, non-stick stand, perfect for placing anywhere. A mounting kit with screws and quick connect system is also included for fast, easy mounting, indoors or outdoors.